Everyone, and in front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select security and privacy, go a bit lower and mark device unlock. Now go to fingerprint and face unlock, select fingerprint, tap on agree, mark next, and here you can select a password type. You need to set it as a backup to your fingerprint. You can go with a numeric pattern, alphanumeric, or actually nothing more. Just those three options. Let me choose pattern. Now just read the information. You need to be aware that if you forget this pattern, pin code, password, you will not be able to unlock your device and you will have to reset it. So let me provide it. Then re-enter, and now it's time to enter your fingerprint. Tap on Add Now, grab your phone as you usually do it, and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Tap on Done, and that's it. From now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.